Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Straight into this one, slightly strange. I just want to ask you guys what content you guys want to see on this channel. So I'm using my new GoPro Hero 7 I've got because of the stabilization and stuff on it. So with any luck, it's quite good. Obviously, I still have my normal camera, which has better audio quality. I still have my lapel mic, which I would normally use. This one's just kind of a straightforward video, no cuts, no editing, no nothing. Just going to upload it like this. So what content do you guys want to see on this channel? Tell me down below. Tell me, relate it to videos that I've made in the past. Tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like. Tell me the style of videos you like. Just give me your 30 seconds of your time. If I can just have 30 seconds of your time for you to write a little paragraph about what you want to see on this channel, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll try and make it possible. Obviously I've got lots of content planned and lots of content coming up. I'm going to be very busy middle of February onwards for about 3 months. So bear that in mind. Content will be slowing down dramatically from about February till about April time. So please bear that in mind. It may be sooner than that, but we don't know yet. But thank you guys for always watching. Thank you for all the support. I'm on my way to Warren now to get my turbo fitted, and I just thought I'd try out my GoPro, get some ideas from you guys in terms of what you think is good content, what you think is bad content, and what you think this channel should be, and kind of where we should go forwards. Because obviously once I've got this turbo, kind of where do I go from there? Obviously I can turn it into a full-blown track car and start ripping all the seats out and stuff, but currently it's still my daily car, so you guys need to remember that. But yeah, give me some ideas, give me content, give me products you think I should review, do. There's a few more products I got coming up on the channel, some Auto Beam products once again, and some other products from another company which will be coming very, very soon. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you all for the support over the years, and I'll see you guys in the next one.